Former Nongkrem Mla and MDC Lambor Malngiang on Monday inaugurated a newly constructed classroom block at Salem Higher Secondary School funded under the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund Scheme CMSDFS 2024-25. Addressing the gathering, Malngiang described the institution as being close to his heart and said his long-standing association with the school had continued over the years. He underscored the pivotal role of education in shaping the future of young people and commended the students for their achievements not only in academics but also in co-curricular and cultural activities. He urged the school management to submit a formal proposal detailing its requirements, particularly in the field of music and cultural development, so that the matter could be pursued with the Meghalaya Chief Minister for necessary financial support. Maintaining that the confidence reposed by parents in the institution reflected its academic standards, Malngiang said the school had the potential to stand shoulder to shoulder with reputed educational institutions in Shillong. The former legislator also lauded the state government's sustained focus on the education sector and appreciated initiatives aimed at nurturing students' talents through dedicated support for music and other creative pursuits. In the occasion, he felicitated students who excelled in the SSLC and HSSLC examinations and extended his congratulations on their accomplishments. He also presented the late Hedimaya Karni Special Award to SSLC topper Isha Hafi Nongplu and honored several students who secured distinctions and outstanding performances in various subjects.
Thank you so much, sir, and let us proceed into the hall.
I have no words to express. I feel I'm sitting in one of the schools in the heart of Shillong. I could see the talent, the courage, the speech that you delivered. I'm very honored to be one of the representatives of this beautiful place of ours. I would like to see you grow in the days to come. Today we have struck two birds with one stone, I should say. One is we have been getting the chance to inaugurate this beautiful classroom, and at the same time the felicitation program for the students who have performed extremely well. As you are aware, the government of Meghalaya in the past few months, we have passed in the cabinet that Khasi language is the official language in our state. So I'm confused now whether I should continue in English or should I start speaking in our own language.